Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Connecting a Lenovo ThinkPad docking station to a Mac might seem tricky at first because these docks are primarily designed for Windows laptops. When you plug it in, sometimes things don't work the way you expect, like displays not showing, ports not responding, or devices not being detected. But the reality is, most ThinkPad docking stations can work with Mac systems when connected properly and set up the right way. Once everything is aligned, you can use multiple monitors, USB devices, and other accessories just like on a regular setup. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect your Lenovo ThinkPad docking station to a Mac quickly and correctly. Try these. Step 1. Connect the docking station to its power adapter and turn it on. Step 2. Use a compatible USB-C or Thunderbolt cable to connect the dock. Step 3. Plug the cable into your Mac's USB-C or Thunderbolt port. Step 4. Attach external monitors and accessories to the docking station. Step 5. Allow macOS to detect and configure connected devices. Step 6. Adjust display and system settings to confirm everything is working.